step number 1, we're just gonna dial star 120 star 151, then hash. Remember, this is for MTN users, guys. And then as you can see, I'll select number 2, main.
I need somebody to guide me. But I'm thinking, sinenden someone readies and picoti. But I'm feeling, sinenden someone stress and picoti.
So guys, before I continue, make sure that you register with Momo. I'll make sure that I leave the link for MTN Momo if you want to register on the description of this video. I will select number 3, which is buy airtime and bundles, and then I'll enter my pin, my Momo pin, guys. Select number 1, MTN specials, then you select Momo exclusive specials, which is number 1. Then as you can see, here is the menu, guys, for everything. And the one that I'm talking about, it's number 3, 1 hour 1 gig with only just 2 rand, guys. And remember, you are allowed to buy 3 times a day. So as for me, I'm only left with 1 available. And as for option 1, which is 1 hour 300 MB with only just 1 rand, it's valid for 1 hour. So this one is unlimited. You can buy it for 100 times or 1,000 times, they don't care. But remember, the one for 1 gig, you can only buy 3 times a day. So if you want to cash in or you want to transfer money to Momo account, so these are the options that you can use to cash in, to cash into Momo account, guys. So I'll make sure that I leave the link in the description if you want to create an account with Momo. And you can also download the app